Welcome, in front of me is an ASUS ROG Phone 5S, and today I will show you how to record screen on this device. So you'll be able to record any kind of gameplays and stuff like that on the go. Anyway, to get started, we will want to pull down our notification panel and look for the screen recorder toggle, which for me is right here in the bottom left corner of the toggles. And this is the default place of it. So once you find it, I would recommend you the first time around you hold the toggle instead of tapping on it, because this will give you a quick access to the settings where you will be able to customize the quality of the recording. So number one, we have the resolution, which is already set to the highest, so keep it as it is. Quality, it's set to medium. I'll probably set it to high if I'm planning to record gameplays. Frame rates, 60 will be good enough. If you're planning to post it on YouTube, I don't think there's a point going above 60. The only place you will be actually able to see it for the majority of the time is just on your phone. It's not posted on the net because you do have 144 Hertz display right here, so you can view this at a super battery smooth frame rates, but YouTube primarily will not be able to utilize this. So 60 will save you space on your phone and still give you a really decent result. Then I have storage location. This will allow you to save it to a different storage. If you have like a USB storage that you can plug in, you can directly save it to that storage if you wanted to. There is no SD card capability for this device, so you can pop in SD card and save it to that. So just keep that in mind. Then we have orientation. Keep it as it is. It's going to save your life or make your life easier. Then we have record audio. You can choose which kind of audio. We have microphone, internal audio, and none. Internal audio is the audio of the device itself. Then we have countdown before recording, so just a simple countdown before it starts. So recording immediately when screen recording is turned on. This kind of contradicts this option because it still gives you the 3-second countdown. And then we have some additional advanced features like show touches, so whenever you touch the display it will show a semi-transparent dot on the recording. If you're planning to record gameplays, I'll probably turn that off because it's just going to be a little bit obnoxious and distracting from the actual content that you're trying to show. Black overlay notifications, so just removes notifications from showing up, and stop recording for incoming calls. Also probably keep that on. Anyway, once you set it all up, you don't actually have to come back in here ever again, assuming you don't want to change any settings. And every time you do want to record something, you can simply tap on the toggle right here to allow access to these things. There's the countdown, and after it finishes, it will start recording. I'm just gonna flick through different things just so you can have something to actually view. So there we go. Good enough. I'm gonna now stop it. And the recording can now be found in our photo application. There we go. So anyway, this is how you record your screen on this phone, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.